Hello friends, myself Assistant Professor Pratima Gandhikar welcomes you for the first session of AngularJS, which is very popularly used today for web application development. Now let us understand why AngularJS should be used for app development. Security. When we talk about enterprise development or transformation to a new leading technology framework, security is the topmost concern. And now, more than ever, enterprises are focusing more on data security, easy access to their channels, distributors, and sales team. Certainly, they have to look for a complete solution that can power enterprise processes and businesses. The next important reason we have declarative user interface. For defining apps user interface, AngularJS uses HTML, which is declarative, inbuilt, and less convoluted language than defining an interface in JavaScript. You should stop spending time on program flows and what to load first. Simply define what you need. Angular will deliver the rest. The next reason to use AngularJS for app development is integration. It is easy to integrate third-party feature with AngularJS as a Angular interaction comes pre-built into frameworks such as Telerik Skendo, user interface, Ionic, Demo.us, Wingmo, and others. However, this is one of the most essential factors to leverage Angular development services for enterprises for the integration with other framework and tools. Next important feature, or we can say reason to use AngularJS for app development is data binding. This is one of the coolest concept with two-way binding in AngularJS, and I would like to introduce it as an eye candy feature. Next top reason to use AngularJS for app development is less coding. The coder need to spend less time in coding process as AngularJS require less coding. Without a doubt, it is a great deal for developers. Last but not the least, easy testing. The codes written in JavaScript are required to follow a series of tests. As we know that JavaScript is interpreted and dynamic and not compiled. But in case of AngularJS, you will find easy testing of the model. So these are the top 6 reasons that we should use AngularJS for app development. Now, what are the main objectives behind to learn the AngularJS? First, understand client-side MVC and SPA. Here, MVC stands for Model View Controller Framework, and SPA stands for Single Page Application. We will see what is MVC and SPA in coming sessions. Now here, the another objective to learn AngularJS, explore AngularJS components. Develop an AngularJS single page application. Create and bind controller with JavaScript. Apply filter in AngularJS application. So these are some main objectives to learn the AngularJS. Now what are the prerequisites to learn the AngularJS? First, you have the basic understanding of JavaScript and any other text editor, and understanding of other web technologies like HTML, CSS, and Ajax. Now, what are the main differences between JavaScript and AngularJS? Let us see one by one. JavaScript is multi-paradigm, high-level programming language, whereas AngularJS is a web application framework written in JavaScript used to build large single-page web application. Again, the most important difference is JavaScript is capable of handling server-side programming as well, whereas AngularJS not handling any server-side programming. Next, we have JavaScript manipulate the content on the website without interacting with the server-side browser to create dynamically rich web pages. AngularJS is a JavaScript tool that provides a structured framework to build single-page applications from scratch. In JavaScript, developers and programmers can do both client-side as well as server-side programming using JavaScript to create dynamic web application to improve interactive within websites. Whereas in AngularJS, it is a front-end JavaScript-based framework developed and maintained by Google itself, which does all the heavy lifting of DOM manipulation. Here DOM, that is Document Object Model Manipulation. JavaScript has been among the most powerful web development technology used for powerful web applications, whereas AngularJS is the most preferred JavaScript framework used to create interactive components within a website. It's specially designed to enhance simplicity and efficiency. JavaScript expressions support loops, conditions, and exceptions, whereas AngularJS expressions do not. At the same time, AngularJS expression supports filters, whereas JavaScript expression do not support filters. Here you will see some of the popular examples of AngularJS. A single page application. It is an application that doesn't need to reload the page during its use and works within a browser only. See, in traditional app, you might see when you press some buttons, then information will move to the server side, and then you will get the output on the new page. You have to wait for the new page to load. But this is not happen in AngularJS. You will see immediate changes. You will get immediate output on the same web browser without reloading the pages. That concept is known as single page application. Here the popular examples that are using AngularJS are Facebook, Google Map, Gmail, Twitter, Google Drive, and so on. Now, what exactly AngularJS is? AngularJS is a very powerful JavaScript library used in single-page application project. It extends HTML DOM with additional attribute and make it more responsive to user action. Here we will see some of the directive use as an attribute with HTML element, which provide the additional functionality to the HTML tags. AngularJS is open source and completely free software and used by thousands of developers around the world. It is licensed under the Apache license version 2.0. It was originally developed in 2009 by Misko Havery and Adam Abrons. Now it is maintained by Google itself, and the latest version of AngularJS is 1.2.21. You can define AngularJS in the given words, like AngularJS is a structural framework for dynamic web application. It lets you use HTML as your template language and lets you extend HTML syntax to express your application components clearly and briefly. Its data binding and dependency injection eliminate much of the code you currently have to write. And it all happens within the one browser and make it an ideal partner with any server technology. So what are the general features of AngularJS? AngularJS is an efficient framework that can create rich internet application. As I said earlier, that AngularJS supports model view controller framework or a model view controller architecture. Here you will learn about what is model, what is view, and what is controller. The AngularJS application divided in these three parts: model part, view part, and controller part. Whereas model handle the data, view is responsible how you display, how the website is displayed or how the app is displayed to the user, and controller is responsible to control the data binding between model and view. Next feature of AngularJS is application written in AngularJS are cross browser compliant. Means what? The AngularJS application can be run on any type of browser. Again, AngularJS is open source, completely free, and used by thousands of developers. So overall, AngularJS is a framework to build large-scale, high-performance, and easy-to-maintain web application. These are the core features of AngularJS. We will see in coming session one by one in depth. The core features of AngularJS describe data binding, providers, validators, directives, controller, modules, expressions, factories, services, filter, dependency injection, and scope. Let us have brief look of these core features one by one. Here, data binding term used as a synchronization of data between model and view component. Next, we have scope. These are the objects that refer to the model, and they act as a glue between controller and view. Controller are the JavaScript function bound to a particular scope. Here in AngularJS, we are using $HTTP as a services. Then AngularJS support filters. Filters are nothing but a subset of items from an array and returns a new array. Then directive, it is very, very, very essential part of AngularJS that give the additional functionality to the HTML tags or HTML element. Or we can say that this can be used to create custom HTML tag that serve as a new custom widgets. So AngularJS has some built-in directives like ngbind, ngmodel, nginit, ngapp, etc. Then we have template. These are the render view with the information from the controller and the model. You can have single template or you can have multiple views in one page using partials. Then routing is important feature of AngularJS. It is the concept of switching views. You can switch from one model to another model. The next feature, model view whatever, MVW. It is a design pattern for dividing an application into different parts called model, view, and controller, each with distinct responsibility. AngularJS does not implement MVC in traditional sense, but rather something closer to MVM, model view, view model. The AngularJS team refers it humorously as model view whatever. Next feature of AngularJS is deep linking. Deep linking allows to encode the state of application in the URL so that it can be bookmarked. And last but not the least, dependency injection. Now, dependency injection subsystem that help the developer to create, understand, and test the applications easily. That means you can dynamically or you can runtime inject some code into your application. So these are some important core features of AngularJS. We will see each and every feature in detail in coming sessions. Now, what are the advantages of AngularJS? So as I said earlier, AngularJS provides the capability to create single page web application in very clean and maintainable way. It provides data binding capability to HTML. It is unit testable. It uses dependency injection and make use of separation of concern. AngularJS provide reusable component. Then developers can achieve more functionality with short code. Naturally, the developer like less coding. So AngularJS provide support for to minimize the coding. Then in AngularJS, views are pure HTML pages and controller written in JavaScript do the business processing. Yes, with this merit, there are some demerits or you can say disadvantages of AngularJS. The first is not secure. So being a JavaScript framework, application written in AngularJS are not safe. Server-side authentication and authorization is must to keep an application secure. That is not going to allow in AngularJS. Not degradable. If the user of your application disable JavaScript, then nothing would be visible except the basic page. So friend, today these are some basic information regarding AngularJS. Here we learned today why there is a need to learn the AngularJS, some basic feature of AngularJS, core feature of AngularJS, advantages and disadvantages of AngularJS. So in coming session, we will see some of the basic example or basic app of AngularJS. Thank you. We will meet in next session.